and welcome back to Unlocking Digital Wealth. Nick Rehmani here, and today we're addressing a pivotal question for any digital entrepreneur. Do you need an autoresponder to make money online? Dive into the vibrant world of digital marketing. City offices buzz, remote locations inspire, and creativity thrives. Every second counts in this fast-paced landscape. Stay tuned. The future of marketing unfolds here. So let's get to the chase, shall we? Yes, you absolutely need one. But why is an autoresponder indispensable and not just another tool in your arsenal? Let's dive deep and discover. Picture a digital journey from first click to final sale. A customer's path winds through engaging content, persuasive offers, seamless checkout. It's the perfect online shopping experience crafted for satisfaction, repeat, and success is imminent. So imagine this: a visitor lands on your site, intrigued by your latest blog post or product. However, they're not quite ready to buy or subscribe. Without an autoresponder, you might lose them forever. But with it, you have a second chance to convert them into a subscriber and eventually a loyal customer. Step into the world where possibilities are endless. Offer your email, a key to unlock the door. A welcome awaits, whispering tales of what's to come. Sign up, receive, and unlock your potential. Every day, a new chapter unfolds. See, an autoresponder serves as your digital salesperson, working around the clock. It sends automated, personalized email sequences to subscribers at preset intervals or responds to specific actions they take, keeping your audience engaged without additional efforts from you. In a world where time is precious, automated emails save the day. Imagine your messages flying digitally, reaching the right person at the right time. Efficiency and convenience delivered. Here's where it gets exciting: the power of consistent, value-packed communication. With each email, you're building a relationship, providing value, and gently guiding your leads down the sales funnel. Delve into the world of email marketing. Discover its intricate funnel, from a warm welcome series to enlightening educational content, culminating in irresistible promotional offers. A well-crafted strategy, key to elevating your digital engagement. But see, it's not just about sending emails. It's about sending the right emails. See, your autoresponders allow you to segment your list based on demographics, engagements, purchase history, and much, much, much more. This means that you can tailor your messaging to fit the specific needs and interests of different audience segments. Immerse in data, decode the patterns, adjust, align, and amplify. Your email campaign optimized. Unleash the power of analytics, redefining success. The future, it's data-driven. For example, a new subscriber might receive a welcome series that introduced them to your brand and values, while a longtime follower might get exclusive offers as a reward for their loyalty. Immerse in the world where emails adapt to your history. One screen, two experiences, tailored messages, personalized journeys. Welcome to the future of communication. It's not just an email, it's your email story. Consider the long-term benefits. An email list of engaged subscribers is a goldmine for any online business. It reduces your reliance on unpredictable algorithms and ad platforms. More importantly, it gives you direct access to the people most likely to buy from you. Invest in refining your email list. As it becomes more targeted, watch your return on investment soar. Precision pays, and in this game, growth is not just expected, it's inevitable. Let's talk strategy. Start with a solid welcome email that thanks the subscriber and sets the expectation. Follow up with a mix of educational content, insider tips, and, of course, compelling offers that resonates with their needs. Discover the art of crafting strategic email templates with precision and wit. Transform mundane messages into engaging content. Remember, every word matters, from eye-catching subject lines to compelling calls to action. Make every email count. Integrate your autoresponder with other tools like webinars, social media, and your blog. This creates a cohesive marketing ecosystem where each component works together to nurture your leads more effectively. Step into the dynamic web of digital marketing where tools intertwine seamlessly, data flows, strategies evolve, and campaigns thrive. In this swift world, every second counts. Discover the power of interconnected marketing today. And remember, the effectiveness of your autoresponder relies heavily on continuous testing and optimization. Regularly analyze the performance of your emails, tweak your approach, and always strive to deliver value that meets your audience's evolving needs. In a world where data reigns supreme, success hinges on interpreting analytics. Mark the triumphs, spotlight the improvements, harness the power of information, shape your strategies, and forge ahead. Welcome to the future of marketing. So, to wrap it up, if you're committed to making money online, an autoresponder isn't just a tool. It's a vital asset that keeps your audience connected, engaged, and ready to convert at any moment. Dive deeper into the world of knowledge. Subscribe for expert tips that enlighten and empower. Don't miss out. Download exclusive resources. Stay curious, stay brilliant, and remember, every day is a chance to learn something new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on building your digital empire. If you want to know more about earning substantially online and autoresponders, go to freedomlifebusiness.com for my free marketing and digital resources. Stay tuned and turn those leads into loyal customers because, as you know, the real money indeed is in the list. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.